Hello, Jenny.
Hello.
Good evening. Are you eating?
Yes.
Wow, what are you eating? Is it bread, kimchi, vegetable, fruit? Is it delicious?
Yes.
Wow, that's good to hear. Okay, so today are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Good. I'm going to share my screen now and let's have a short review before we move on to our new lesson. So what do you see here? You can see things that are wrapped. So you're going to guess what these things are. So let's start with number one. What is it? What is number one? What is it?
Bag.
Number one, it's here. Yes, it's a bike. It's a bicycle.
Bicycle.
Yeah, it's a bicycle. Very good. It's a bicycle. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. What is it? What's number two? What is it? What's number two?
Box.
Do you think this is a box? It looks like this. This can fly.
Flag.
Looks like this. And with a tail, and then there's a
Kite.
kite. Yeah, it's a kite. So it's a kite. And this one, what is this? What's it?
Bag.
What is it?
Bag.
A bat. Very good, it's correct. And what do you think number four is?
Ball.
A ball. Yes, you're right, it's a ball. And what's number five? What is it?
Car.
It's a car. And number six, what's number six?
Computer.
Computer, very good. And number seven?
可以吗？这个有点很难说出来。我都不认这是啥。
What do you think number seven is?
I don't know.
I don't know.
It is a fan.
Flag.
Yeah, it's a fan.
Bag.
And number eight, what do you think number eight is?
Cap.